Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 6 of class 7th DAV English Literature Stone Soup in Bohemia by Anne McGovern Pack Exercise. Understanding the story. A. Write T for true and F for false statements. First, the villagers gave the soldier a very warm welcome. First, false. Second, the stones had no power of making a soup. Second, true. Third, the villagers added nothing to the soup. Third, false. Fourth, the villagers found the soup extremely delicious. Fourth, true. Fifth, a Chinese had taught the soldier how to make stone soup. Fifth, false. B. Answer the following questions in about 30 words each. First, how did the soldier react to the unwelcoming attitude of the villagers? Answer. He reacted positively and wished them cheerfully. He was not disheartened at all. Moreover, he called them friendly people. Second, what according to the soldier was the speciality of the stones? Answer. According to the soldier, those two stones had the powers to brew the most delicious, the mouth watering soup that ever a man tasted. It was a foreign recipe presented to him by a saint. Third, why did the villagers initially hesitate to add anything to the soup? Answer. The villagers initially hesitated to add anything to the soup because they were suspicious about the soup and nobody wanted to make a fool of himself. Fourth, what comments did the various villagers make on the quality of the soup? Answer. The villagers made various comments on the quality of the soup, like Burgomaster called it exquisite, portly merchant said it was magnificent, and the woman called it really tasty, and someone called it a miracle, a marvelous gift from China. Hots. What are the various methods that the soldier adopted to be friendly with the villagers? Answer. The various methods that the soldier adopted to be friendly with the villagers are: first, he reacted positively towards their unfriendly behavior. Second, he wished them all and also offered them the stone soup. Third, he also narrated his stories and jokes to be friendly with them. Life skills. A. Presence of mind is more valuable asset than wealth or strength. Elaborate the idea in a short paragraph. Answer. The presence of mind is more valuable and important than wealth or strength because it helps us to tackle any situation or solve any problem with no or less efforts. We can earn money with our sharp mind but can't buy the mind with money. B. And the soldier chuckled to himself. Why did the soldier do so? Discuss with your partner. Answer. He chuckled because he befooled all the villagers by telling the fake story of so and so and arranged a satisfying meal for himself. Values. Tough times don't last, but tough people do. How could the soldier ensure that he was not disheartened at all? Answer. We all know that the time doesn't remain the same. There is always a bright morning after a dark night. The difficult time can also pass easily if we think positively and smartly. Example, in spite of getting unfriendly attitude from the villagers, the soldier managed to get all that he needed by using his wits. Writing skills. You are a reporter who visits the village in Bohemia and listens to the fame of the stone soup. Write a news report to be published in your newspaper showing us how a soldier used his wits to satisfy his hunger. Answer. The Secret of Stone Soup, December 27, 2021, Bohemia. These days, stone soup is very famous in Bohemia. Everyone is fond of it. Truth was revealed when I talked to the people there. They said that a soldier visited their village to spend a night. All the villagers refused to give him food. He used his wits and started boiling two stones in a pot full of water. Everyone thought him as a fool. The soldier made them curious by telling them that those stones were given to him by a saint and could make delicious soup. He called it a soup for heroes. He offered the villagers that they can also enjoy it by adding some vegetables. Villagers could not stop themselves and brought whatever the witty soldier had asked for. This is how the soldiers prepared the delicious vegetable soup, and all the villagers enjoyed it as the historical stone soup. Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, Subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.